So, believe it or not, I had planned to do this activity on Memorial Day, but our whole entire day took a different turn. So, we're doing it now, and we'll just call this a test run for the 4th of July because we are going to be making an American flag looking brownie with some red, white, and blue M&Ms that I recently got from the store, and this nice big brownie that I made a couple days ago. Now, to make the M&Ms stick on the brownie, we obviously need some type of frosting, so we're going with chocolate. And don't mind the mess in the background. We're just really trying to get this done, and sometimes life, it just does the life thing. But this initially, when I started, I was like, "Oh my God, this is going to take forever." But thankfully Violet was willing to help me out and we got it done in no time. She took care of the blue with the stars, while I did a lot of the stripes, but I think it came out pretty good and cute, and we'll probably try to do this again around the 4th of July. If we end up having any of these M&Ms left over, I mean, I guess we could buy more. This was absolutely delicious and fudgy treat, but I am so stuffed on the sweets lately. But we hope this inspires you to try it.